So be careful what you wish for, because, you know, we love having a white Christmas.
Right.
But the timing of this for people trying to get around, and I'm hoping crews were able to get out and make some progress between the time I came in and now, because I will tell you, please leave extra time to get where you're going, and just, you know, be late if you have to, because the roads were not good. I have four-wheel drive and good tires, and I was still like, ooh, this isn't good. It's that greasy snow.
It is. It's just impossible for plows to keep up with 1 to 3 inches per hour. And our coworker Adrian was just showing me a picture up in Auburn. The snow is up to the bases of cars. Like, it's, you know, in some spots, if it hasn't been plowed, it's almost impossible.
Some
to drive.
places are getting slammed.
It's slammed with this storm. A really impressive, biggest storm in years in some parts of the state, with the really heavy snow coming down. That's also the case in Gray, where we've seen well over a foot of snow. It does look like, though, the heaviest snowfall rates are beginning to push away from Gray. I can tell that visibility has improved there a bit, but I would hold off on driving, at least for the next several hours, as that snow does continue in many spots. Let's take a little radar tour this morning. After being just parked and staying in the same spot all night, this heavy snow band now on the move. Casco, Raymond, Windham, all getting some of this very heavy snow, although it's not going to put down as much because now it is moving a good bit quicker. Portland, we just saw some of our heaviest snowfall rates. It's lightening up now. Probably get another quick burst or two of some heavier snow, but things are on the winding down trend at this point. Now, if you're in coastal York County, you haven't gotten too much. I do expect things to pick up. You'll probably get another burst of snow that puts down maybe another couple inches. Here's the north end of that snow band up the Route 26 corridor towards Paris, just to the west of Turner now. Turner, the snow is starting to lighten up, should be ceasing the accumulating snow there fairly shortly as we head through the next several hours, but we still have at least a couple more hours to go with that heaviest snowfall. So between now and about 8-9 a.m., still tracking heavy snow in parts of the area. By the time we get to noon, the snow does wrap up, and by the evening, it is chilly and quiet. Let's take a look at our storm tracker here. Heavy snowfall with that snow band continues to pivot to the south. Here we are at 6 a.m. and you can see it begins to wind down as we head towards 9 a.m. This is likely when we're getting that last burst of heavy snow from the Portland area through York County. Some scattered snow showers probably continue through about midday, and then things are much quieter as we head into the afternoon hours. Should be nice and quiet as you're heading out to your Christmas Eve plans. So as long as the roads can get plowed off near you, should be much better if you are wanting to get outdoors or head out later on today. Storm totals, a couple more inches to fall in many spots in the 10 to 15 plus inch range. I'm curious, do we get someone that hits 20 inches? The storm is starting to wind down. I've seen max totals around 16 to 17 inches so far. Do we squeeze out 2 or 3 more inches? It's possible in this zone. Bowdoin, Lewiston, Turner, all in that zone of very heavy snowfall. Brunswick also included. Portland probably ending up over a half foot, same in the Lakes region, and much lesser amounts to the north and down to the south. I saw a report out of York, just a dusting on the ground, while some parts of the state deal with 16 inches of snow. Now, as we head into tomorrow, if you want snow on Christmas Day too, guess what? You get that as well. Some snow is likely in the morning. Shouldn't add up to much, but some spots might be able to squeeze out an inch. The rest of the day, it looks pretty quiet. Any Christmas morning snow will happen as your little kids are jumping on you, waking you up early in the day, especially in down east Maine, northern Maine, and the mountains. That's where we've got the best shot at maybe squeezing out an inch or two. For the rest of us, a coating up to an inch at best. I wouldn't expect too much with this system. And then it pulls out by the afternoon. Temperatures actually get above freezing in many spots, so feeling decent out there Christmas Day. Not decent, though, by Friday. Highs in the teens. Very, very cold air on the way for the end of the week. Here's a look at our Christmas Day snowfall. Coating to an inch in central Maine, mid-coast Maine, maybe parts of southern Maine, down east Maine, northern Maine, and the mountains could get upwards of maybe 2 inches tomorrow. Again, nothing significant, but some extra festivity out there for our holiday. Beyond that, Arctic air moving in for Friday and Saturday, tracking our next storm. That's going to arrive on Sunday. Luckily, that Arctic cold, even though it's not fun to deal with, it suppresses another snowstorm to the south. We would be dealing with another snowstorm Friday night into Saturday if we did not have that Arctic cold in place. So I guess we can be thankful for that. Here's a look at your marine forecast. 5 to 7 foot seas, our 7-day full of snow. Of course, today, tomorrow morning, frigid cold Friday and Saturday. And then we head into next week watching our next storm Sunday into Monday, Sunday night, really into Monday. That could bring some messy wintry mix. So yeah, winter came back, you guys. We had about a 3-day break.
Yeah, it is here. All right. Thank you, sir.